So what are you working on, Dad?
Well, working on this little engine of yours, and I'm going to try to get it where she's freed up.
You're gonna gently massage it?
Gently massaging. This is American-made 12 pounds of sledgehammer.
You gotta hit the crank, Dad. Don't hurt that block.
It's like working on the railroad.
That's how you free up an engine. I think I saw it move about that much, Dad.
She ain't ringing no more.
Nope, that crank is busted. And you also broke my oil pump.
Cap come loose, rod cap.
Oh, did it? Sweet, we can reuse that one.
That must mean I'm moving it a little bit.
Nope, it's still on there. I can't get it by hand.
That's mean.
Oh, you got the rod cap loose? Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna reuse those. And I want to polish these bearings up, Dad, because people don't like the fact I'm gonna use those rod bearings in the other 241 because they look really nice. So let's use these ones.
So let's just,
Let's use these ones that have been in this boat anchor. You know, they say that engine ain't gonna last, so let's use these ones. These ones look nicer.
Bye-bye.